Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still holding above support, above our micro support area, so we don't really have much clarity in the very short term. However, we have some very clear parameters to watch, and we are dealing with a structure that still hasn't given us 5 waves up. I mean, that's clear, okay? Maybe we focus on what's clear. It's very clear that we don't have a 5-wave move to the upside. We need 5 waves up to have a first confirmation that a bullish scenario is unfolding. And if you're interested in the daily chart, the greater context, feel free to check out my previous update from earlier today. But the white wave count shows you what we need to see for a 5-wave pattern. In this scenario, we have a low in place here. We bottomed on the 6th of September in a larger wave 2. The move up was a wave 1 here into the Saturday high, a wave 2 pullback into the Sunday low, then a third wave up, and then this here could be wave 4 at the moment. It might even turn into a triangle or something. And as long as we're holding 55,330, we could watch for a 5th wave to the upside. So that's the, let's say, short-term bullish scenario. Here within this scenario, we can move up and down a little bit. Okay, so at the moment it's just going down, up a little bit. It's not possible to predict every single small twist and turn. What I think about is maybe this B wave has topped, or if the price pushes a little higher, it might be a slightly larger B wave. So none of that would really change the scenario. Bottom line is, as long as we're holding 55,330, we can watch for higher prices. At the same time, the yellow wave count already completed a pretty nice 3-wave move up in yellow wave B, which however requires for confirmation a break below 55,330. It's quite simple actually. It just depends on which perspective you want to take. Do you want to take the perspective of one more high? Then 55,330 is support. The problem is you don't really have a very clear stop up here, because B waves can even overshoot, or we might even see one more high, even in a third wave, okay, or in a C wave. So let me explain that to you. I think I explained it already in the last video. To get 5 waves up, and really that's the thing, we want to see 5 waves up, because only with a 5-wave move we have some clarity, we have clear probabilities, and we have clarity that the bulls want to make a comeback. And I need, a wave 1, a wave 2, wave 3, I just need a healthy wave 4. And the wave 4 normally should roughly match the wave 2 in duration. Wave 2 unfolded between the 7th of September and the 8th of September, so a day roughly, okay? But this year doesn't really look like, it's also a day now. It would just look best, in my opinion, if we get one more leg down. And then we have a clear 4th wave. Depends a little bit on what happens, but bottom line is I want to have a healthy 4th wave to consider the next move up a 5th wave. Because what could happen is that it just goes directly higher from here. Then it will be a bit questionable, in my view, if this here was really the 4th wave. So we would have to take it level by level here. This is an analysis of the microstructure. I can tell you that at the moment we don't have 5 waves up. I'm very much watching for a 5-wave move to the downside for a first confirmation that yellow wave B has topped. We haven't got that yet. On the micro level maybe, but this is too small to be reliable. I'd really like to see 5 waves like this. That would be a good confirmation that wave B has topped. And then the next 3-wave pullback could even offer a short trade setup. There's a micro short trade setup here. I provided you with resistance. It's just that it's very small, okay, on a very small time frame on the 30-minute chart here. And today I think what's important is to watch the 55,330 level for support. Against that level we could get another high, and we might move up and down a little bit in this range. That's literally just noise. Everything that Bitcoin has done since the last update is literally just noise, nothing too meaningful. But if the price continues to move down from here, I would pay attention to the next fib levels, especially at 55,850 and 55,330. Any break below it, I did tell you, would likely confirm the top of wave B in yellow. So that's how I see at the moment the chart. And if we get 5 waves up, then we can add the next main support region to the chart. I would then call that wave 1. We can add the support region for a wave 2 pullback, and then we can watch for a third wave rally to unfold next. But let's first see if we can actually get 5 waves. At the moment, this is just considered a B wave rally, yeah, or a third wave. It was long enough to be a third wave, but needs another 5th wave to confirm that comeback of the bulls, because only a 5 wave move based on Elliott Wave tells us that an uptrend is probably starting. Yeah? That's how I see Bitcoin at the moment. If you're interested in the, let's say, the bigger picture, you can check out the previous video. It explained also the larger structures. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.